What I wish I knew at 25 instead of 35? Safed Musli. The ancient root that's now a modern game changer for men's health. Here's why you need it. Safed Musli, also called white Musli, is native to India and used for centuries as a rejuvenative tonic. Its powerful mix of saponins and antioxidants delivers major benefits, boosting testosterone, enhancing libido and stamina, plus aiding muscle recovery. It also helps you handle stress better, thanks to its adaptogenic properties. Studies show it even improves sperm count and quality. Want results? Take 1-3 grams daily in powder or capsule form for 8-12 weeks. Safed Musli, nature's boost for your vitality.